5 tips for massive muscle growth that most guys do wrong. So, do you want massive muscle growth? If you've spent enough time in the gym, chances are you've seen all the stereotypical characters at this point. One of our personal favorites, Mr. Lightweight, is our personal favorite. He shows up at the gym with all kinds of gear on, gloves, headband, protein shaker, and then proceeds to lift very lightweight. We're talking about the kind of weight your girlfriend uses, or your imaginary girlfriend, if you don't have a real one. He lets out loud grunts on every rep, drops the weights and performs nothing but isolation exercises. At least the guy is in the gym, but this type of training won't get you far. In order to achieve massive muscle growth, you need to have a heavy lifting mindset. If you think you can get huge from doing 10 pounds tricep kickbacks and lateral raises, we've got some bad news for you. At this point you've probably figured out the main point of this article: lifting heavy. Typically most people in the gym aren't doing this. They are too focused on going light in order to feel the burn with high reps. Take with you these 5 tips and apply them if you want your muscles big and aesthetic. Tips for heavy lifting routines for massive muscle growth. 1. Lift heavy weights. Remember, the only way you are going to increase your strength and muscle is to challenge your body to lift heavier weights. A great way to do this is to set big goals for yourself and smaller milestones. For example, if you currently bench press 135 pounds, and you set your 1-year goal to increase your bench press to 225 pounds. You can achieve this by increasing your bench by 1 pound and 70 pence per week, which is a very sustainable rate of growth. By lifting heavy weights focusing on compound movements, you will increase your natural testosterone production, which will allow you to build more muscle. 2. Keep reps low. If you are performing more than 8 quality reps for 3 sets at a particular weight, it's time to move up. Once you hit 3 sets of 8 reps, add 5 pounds to the exercise. You will get more growth by doing 5 reps of 225 pounds than 12 reps of 185. 3. Consume lots of protein. Protein is absolutely crucial for gaining muscle. It helps keep your strength up and gives your muscles the nutrients they need to repair and grow. At least 35% of your daily calories should come from protein, or at least 1 gram per pound of body weight. Also, make sure you consume a variety of protein sources, so you get all the amino acids you need. 4. Do compound exercises. Forget about the dumbbell kickbacks and wrist curls. Replace these with full-body exercises like bench press, pull-ups, squats, deadlifts, dips and shoulder press. These movements recruit large muscle groups and will give you more bang for your buck. Also, you will be able to move a lot more weight, which is the point of this entire article. 5. Give yourself enough recovery time. While working hard in the gym, it is crucial to let your body recover. If you aren't getting enough sleep, or if you are hitting the gym hard every day, you simply won't get the kind of growth you are looking for. Leave 3 days a week for recovery, and you will see much faster progress at the gym. 6. Use a natural testosterone booster that actually works. Testosterone is a crucial male hormone responsible for muscle growth and fat loss. If your levels are low, you can kiss your gains goodbye. That is why testosterone boosters can be a vital part in your muscle building journey. Therefore, it's important to make sure your levels are as high as possible. Now, unlike most other muscle building blogs, we keep it real with you. Most of the fitness models you see on Instagram are taking steroids to boost their test levels. But nowadays more and more guys are waking up, realizing just how stupid taking steroids actually is. Okay, yes, it helps build muscle. But it can also come with dangerous and nasty side effects such as man boobs, baldness, and you can even become infertile. Luckily, we live in a world where the supplement industry actually has their hands on potent natural testosterone-boosting ingredients that can safely and naturally boost your body's own testosterone production, resulting in higher testosterone levels and more muscle growth without the use of illegal steroids. But you have to beware of companies that use ineffective fillers in their supplements to make more money off you. Most important to remember: focus on lifting heavy weights to increase your strength and muscle growth. It will also boost the natural testosterone production in your body. Keep your reps low and weights heavier. You will build strength and size by doing so. Make sure you are consuming enough protein for muscle growth. Focus your routine on compound exercises rather than simple isolation movements. Compound exercises are much more effective. Make sure you give your body the rest it needs to build muscle.